why and how is, like gum health, cleaning gum is important? Like, why is it important?
Okay. Coming to cleaning gum, you don't have to necessarily separately do different things. Cleaning gum is part of your oral hygiene technique. That is, when you brush and floss, naturally the plaque is all coming out. So gum is nothing but a outer area that covers your teeth. Sorry, my model does not differentiate the color, but yes, above your teeth, all this area is where the gum is. When you take care of your brushing technique well, your gum is naturally taken care of. So when the brushing technique, what we tend to do, our brushing technique, okay, we have not been brushing properly, and one day we try to brush and we see a tiny bit of bleeding here and there, and we try to become over careful. We think that we did something wrong, so I should not be brushing that hard, and we tend to be more gentle, where it leads to more accumulation of plaque, more damaging to the gums. So, yes, coming to the gum health, like I said, the best thing is your brushing and your flossing. So, next thing, yes, you can also practice just a gentle massage of your gum immediately after brushing, that is towards your teeth. You press your gum towards your teeth and do a circular motion all around. That just helps in your gum sticking back to your teeth naturally, which is not a mandatory technique again. Uh, yes, the gum health has its a lot of systemic related problems. So everything starts with accumulation of more plaque. What is plaque? Plaque is nothing but food debris staying on your teeth more than say 48 hours to 72 hours, which didn't get cleaned, forms a thin white layer of film on your teeth. So your brush, if it is not efficiently removing that thin layer of white substance on your teeth, that is what is damaging, which slowly starts hardening in those regions, which we start calling it as calculus, which are hard deposits. And these hard deposits are more damaging to the bone under your gum. So that is when your gum starts worsening.
Okay.
So
Oh,
that,
yeah.
yes.